Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily customize gestures in your Samsung Buds3 FE. So once in your application called Samsung Galaxy Wearable, we have to tap Earbud Controls. Here, as you can see, you can disable or enable the media controls, which are pinch to play and pause, double pinch for the next track, triple pinch for previous track, and swipe up and down to control volume. Apart from that, here we do have left and right earbuds, and the only change here is the dual system or switch noise controls. Icon and con controls. We can disable or enable answer call and call with pinch, and decline call with pinch and hold. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.